The Nothing Phone 2 is finally here. More importantly, it is the first Nothing smartphone to officially be sold in the United States, which is a pretty big deal. The company's follow-up to the Phone 1 boasts a sleek design with a revamped Life interface, more powerful processor, cameras, increased battery, Nothing operating system 2.0, and more. The handset starts at $600 in the United States and is now available for pre-order. The Phone 2 will offer a similar design to its predecessor, but with a more refined look and feel thanks to a mid-frame that's been reduced by 1 millimeter and a ever so slightly curved back glass that is specifically designed to feel better in the hand. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor and will be offered in 3 different RAM and internal storage options. There's an 8GB variant with 128 gigabytes of storage, a 12GB variant with 256GB storage, and 12GB RAM model with 512 gigs of internal storage. As far as the display, it'll have a large 6.7-inch AMOLED LTPO 1020Hz screen, and there are going to be enhancements to the new glyph interface on the rear as well. The new glyph interface will make use of more LED elements, which is going to be useful in conveying details about the phone without having to rely on the screen. The LED band can show the volume level of the screen and act as a countdown timer. It can also be used to show the status of an incoming food delivery or the approximate estimated time of arrival of a transportation service pickup, such as Uber. The LED can also be set to illuminate for charging status, timer countdowns, certain contacts, making it easy to know someone important has contacted you without having to glance at the screen. Furthermore, users will have the ability to create new lighting patterns with matching sound elements with the Glyph Composer. Of course, we can't forget about the cameras, with the Phone 2 going with the dual 50-megapixel cameras on the rear utilizing Sony IMX890 sensors, and a 32-megapixel front-facing camera for all those important selfie shots. When it comes to the quality of the image, we get enhancements through CHDR and other AI features to really bring the picture you take to life. And last but certainly not least, we get a 4,700 mAh battery with wired and wireless charging, as well as reverse wireless charging. Nothing Operating System 2.0 is the next iteration of the company's custom operating system based on Android 13 that will make its debut on Phone 2. With this version, the company is striving to deliver an experience that is fast and smooth. It will also offer a distinct look with a new monochrome theme, and users will have the ability to keep things looking extremely minimal by removing app labels. The new operating system will also have revamped home and lock screen widgets, along with other custom design elements. The Nothing Phone 2 pre-orders are now live in the United States, United Kingdom, and Europe, with the base model starting at $599 United States dollars, while the top of the line version will command $799 United States dollars. Nothing, thank God, did not overprice this device. A starting point of $599 is a little higher than we anticipated. However, and most importantly, that price point is not too high. This is still a flagship device. Those that don't pre-order will be able to purchase the Phone 2 on July 17 from the Nothing website. But if you're interested, it's probably going to be a good idea to just pre-order in advance. I can guarantee you that these will sell out, or at very least incur a back order for potential buyers. I am very proud to announce that eSIM Studios will now officially be the home for fans of the Nothing Phone 2. This morning, we placed our order for the white 12GB 256GB variant of the Nothing Phone 2. Now subscribe to the channel and follow along with us as well. Break down, document, and describe the life of this device, or for the next year, or until the Nothing Phone 3 comes out. We will review cases, software updates, bugs, and anything else you can imagine for the device. Our shipment is expected to arrive next week. If this device interests you, the link to purchase the device is listed in the description box. If you pre-order the device now,